This is a demonstration video for the beta release of GeoSketch 3.0. There's a new capability of the Nadir import tool that allows you to import a terrain elevation model along with the Nadir image. So we'll first select a Nadir image to import, and then we're presented with another input panel to select a DEM source. If we don't want to load a DEM source and just want to load the Nadir image as a flat image on the XY plane, then we would select cancel. But if we do have terrain data, we'll go to the directory that contains some DTED elevation data, and we'll load in the DTED file. And now we can load in the image using the same functionality that was in previous versions of GeoSketch. We can use the option to load in by image coordinates, and in this case the image is 8.6 meg, so we can fit it into the model, so we'll load the whole image. And then we'll see a new prompt here, a new message in the prompt area indicating that it's importing the DEM data. In this beta release, the importing is still a little bit slow, but we're going to speed that up for the final release of GeoSketch 3.0. And there are also a couple of known issues. One issue is that sometimes the edges of the terrain do not get textured properly, some of the triangles, and also the edges of the terrain model do not match the edges of the Nadir image. But these will also be fixed for the final release. Here we see some of the triangles that aren't textured properly. But once we've imported this image, we can use the standard GeoSketch tools to construct geometry on this terrain model. For example, we can do the rectangular footprint of a building, and it will be textured from the Nadir image and the oblique images, and we can extrude this using the push-pull tool to get the height of that building. So that concludes the enhancement to import DEM data as we are importing a Nadir image.